Hi, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty here in Naples, Florida. I'm getting ready here to show one of my listings in WeberWoods. The only sound you hear, other than me, is the sound of running water. There's two fountains on this property. Here's one at the front. Check out the beautiful landscaped entrance. What a pleasant place to sit. Beautiful curb appeal, but the sound of water, there's something to be said for it. As I say, this is WeberWoods, Naples, Florida. One of my listings here. It's a 5-bed, 3-bath house with a separate guest house. It's got a 3-car garage. The curb appeal here is amazing. Barry Hoey, Downing Fry Realty. Email me at barry@swflluxury.com for more information. That's barry@swflluxury.com. Thank you. Bye.